Hi and welcome everyone. Today I would like to talk about something really fancy, how you can learn ExtJS. And a couple of people already might have used AI to ask how you can learn ExtJS. I would like to discuss a couple of different AIs and see what they come up with and how happy I am with the outcome. I will ask always the same question about a file I have and if they can comment on this file and explain to me a couple of different things. So let's see what we end up with. Okay, so first of all, it would be really cool if you would subscribe to this channel and to just help other people find this channel. This is something about the YouTube algorithm. Please help me. Okay, so what was my question? My question was, please add a comment above each line above ExtJS 7 and please describe this to a noob and explain in detail a bit. Just give me a second. Explain in detail about the binding. So you can see I tried this without the binding talking with Copilot and then with the binding, and this is actually what my binding looks like. So this is bound to measurement. Measurement is part of the data in my view model, and whenever this changes due to set measurement, set in the view model, changing the this one, then I would like to call on measurement change. That's basically all. And let's see what ChatGPT in the Copilot comes up with. So first of all, it explains a couple of things. Let's just head over to bindings first to see how happy I am with Copilot. And Copilot actually explains the binding not what I think it is. And somehow it's right that when the value changes that you get this on measurement change. But what is this measurement? Where does it come from? To really understand ExtJS, you need to know exactly that. And this is not helpful for me. It's cool that it explains a couple of things in detail, but even explaining the controller part, I mean, wouldn't you expect the AI to explain to you that it comes from a view and the view has a view controller, so whatever you change in the view should be done in the controller? Explaining to a noob is actually very low level, and I would expect that. So I'm not too happy with Copilot in here, so I tried something else, AI Chat. And AI Chat got exactly the same question and came up with this little information. So it's neither explained as a comment in the code nor anything else, and the bindings in here is just the short part from the Copilot, so I am not happy at all with this one. So if you tried in the past Bard from Google, they renamed it to Gemini, so let's head over to Gemini. Exactly the same question, and Gemini comes up with a cool structure, I thought, that it explains exactly what you find in here, and then it explains this binding part. And it explains it as defines a section called binding which connects data in your view model to methods in this controller. Ta-da! Could be that easy. So it explains it exactly what bindings is doing. So I would say if you do not understand a file in your what you're currently working on. Just rename a couple of things. Like, I wouldn't go with the exact app name. Probably there's some information from your company which you definitely have to change. But to get some information, you can copy paste that and just ask, please explain it to me as a noob and give me more details about it. And I thought Gemini did a really good job. So that's it from my end for today. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye.